Hi! In front of me is NUBIA Red Magic 5S, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. You need to start by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down. Now tap on Advanced Settings, choose Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. After that, click on Theme and tap on Show More to see all available ones. When you're ready, you need to tap on the best one for you, click on the switcher next to keyboarders to manage them and tap on Apply. Now, when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was changed. But you can always go into the same settings, but this time tap on this plus icon under My Themes. Then select photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, you can adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on the switcher next to keyboarders to manage them and click Apply. Now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!